Turn it up some more. Turn it up some more.
First time I take you in. Herbert Morrison. You're younger. I see if you locked in so long yet. I tell you, say you're powerful. I'm watch your every stage show. And I see they're powerful. Okay, you represent. You represent. You represent.
Moment right after Unity on the beach, as you can see. Vibration, right vibration is right here, you know what I mean? People wanting to check out the Rasta show them some more. You know what I mean? You see Rasta show them, check them out more.
Energy.
You need to heal yourself. Look good. Selfie TV. Not yourself a CD, not DVD. So shout out to all the people who reach out to Unity on the beach. Guess what? The people them really love it. All of the artists them did very well. Selectors did very well. all of we forward out and we just unite. It's all about unity on the beach. And guess what now, people? I want y'all to stay tuned. Alright? We got more big things coming up right here at Pineapple Beach. Selfie TV! No cassette, no CD, no DVD.